News break coming in right now amid Delhi stampede deaths. Lalu mocks Kumbh Mela. Lalu Prasad says that the Kumbh is faltu. RJD chief's Kumbh meaningless jibe. He says that the railway mismanaged the crowd. JDU says that Lalu mocking Kumbh Mela.
जिम्मेवारी रेल मंत्री को लेनी चाहिए।
लेना ही चाहिए ना रेल मंत्री को।
सर क्या 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 मांग करेंगे कुंभ में सर जिस तरह से भीड़ बढ़ रही है?
अरे सब कुंभ का क्या कोई मतलब है, फालतू है कुंभ। चलो, बहुत दुखद घटना घटी है। हम सब लोग को श्रद्धांजलि अर्पित करते हैं। रेलवे का ये गलती है, रेलवे के मिसमैनेजमेंट से, लापरवाही की वजह से इतने लोगों की मौत हुई है। मुझे काफ़ी अफसोस है।
फेलियर है सर रेलवे का।
फेलियर है ना, फेलियर है तब ना।
सर जिम्मेवारी रेल मंत्री को लेनी चाहिए।
लेना ही चाहिए ना रेल मंत्री को।
सर क्या 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 मांग करेंगे कुंभ में सर जिस तरह से भीड़ बढ़ रही है?
अरे सब कुंभ का क्या कोई मतलब है, फालतू है कुंभ। चलो,
जनता दल यूनाइटेड परिवार अत्यंत मर्माहत है। रेल मंत्रालय और केंद्र सरकार बेहतर चिकित्सा के इंतजामात के निर्देश दें, यह अभी सबसे बड़ी जरूरत है। लालू जी जैसे राजनेताओं को कुंभ पर सियासत करने के बजाय कैसे हम घायलों को और मृतकों के परिवारों को मदद कर सकते हैं, इस पर बातें करनी चाहिए।
Going across to my colleague Rohit, who's tracking the story for us. Rohit, while we've heard from several opposition leaders, target the BJP and the central government for the way that the Kumbh is being managed, but the fact that the RJD chief goes ahead and calls the Mahakumbh faltu, could this be something that comes back to haunt him? Just could this be a own goal of sorts that he may have scored?
Well, yes, I think RJD Supremo Lalu Prasad went a little overboard and he called that the Kumbh which was going on in Allahabad was nothing but faltu, useless. That is what he essentially meant to say. And this comment of Lalu Prasad has come just a few hours after a tragic stampede took place at the Delhi railway station, New Delhi railway station, in which almost around 18 people have lost their lives, and he was reacting to the incident where he demanded the resignation of the Railway Minister Ashwini Vaishnav. But in the same state, when he was asked that what about the large number of people who were turning out to participate in the Kumbh, and that is when Lalu Prasad went on to say that Kumbh kya hota hai, bil sab faltu ki cheez hai. So obviously these kind of comments are likely to hurt the sentiments of the Hindus, especially in Bihar, where assembly elections are going to take place in another 7 to 8 months. So I think Lalu Prasad went a little overboard when he made those comments that the Kumbh which was going on in Allahabad was completely useless.
Thank you so much, Rohit, for bringing us all those details. So Lalu Prasad Yadav mocking the Kumbh, calling it useless or faltu, as he said.